My name is Lidia Ponce de la Vega. I'm an assistant professor in the School of Interdisciplinary Studies. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and so it's basically a computer language that is used for everything on the internet. I've always kind of been interested in web design. Once I came to GV and I saw that Blackboard Ultra has the option for you to use the HTML on your courses and the way you structure everything on your course website. HTML does give you a lot of flexibility. You can change the style, maybe the size, the font, the color, things that maybe you cannot do with just the basic editor on Blackboard. One thing I really like to do with HTML in my courses is to embed content. And one very basic example of embeddable content is YouTube videos. So whenever I assigned videos for students to watch, I embed them instead of giving them the link. And so the difference is that they can watch it without leaving Blackboard. So they don't have to go to YouTube to watch the video. But what I really like about embeddable content is that it's not just YouTube. There's a lot of options out there. The music, you can embed your office hours. I like using it for office hours because you can embed your Outlook bookings page. So students can make an appointment with you, again, without leaving Blackboard. So it's easy for them to find the information, and it connects directly to my calendar. So that way, it's easy for them, it's easy for me. It's also easier for students to find things and also to not get distracted. Because if they can just scroll through the materials, watch the video there, and then move on to whatever comes next, they are still focused on what they are supposed to be doing. So it helps reduce distractions, it helps keep students focused because the content is focused on Blackboard as well. Especially with embeddable content, it's very easy. All you have to do is know where to find it. You don't even have to understand what the code says, because all you have to do is go to YouTube, find the embed code, copy, and then paste it to Blackboard. It's as simple as that, even if you don't have no idea what you're pasting. Even if you don't understand the HTML itself, it's very easy to use it because Blackboard has that option. Some other very nice uses of HTML that I like, I call it the de-stress space or the take a break space, something like that. Just a section on Blackboard where you embed things like music or games. There are a lot of websites that have embeddable games, and so they can also play on Blackboard. They don't have to go anywhere else. They can just start the game, especially in online classes that you don't have the same kind of in-person relationship with students. And so there's a different kind of environment that it's not just about the class, but also about connecting with students and getting to know them. Maybe they found a nice game that they want to share, and so you can just embed it into Blackboard. And so there's a relationship going also through that student engagement in a different way.